Okay, so our friend Himsteak writes, to your point about working in different industries, do you think it's important to build a portfolio around an industry? Is it okay to have a range of projects from different industries? Oh, I love the question, Himsteak. I love this question because I've been formulating a video in the back of my mind. I really want to do a video on this topic. And the topic that I'm thinking about, or the way I want the video to play out, is that I think it is super important to have exposure to a variety of industries. And I mean that both from your perspective, because you're talking from a perspective as somebody who's applying, but also from my perspective as a hiring manager. Hiring managers should want to hire from different industries. And the reason I say that, everything I just said is rooted in domain bias, right? If you got, for those of you that are further along in your data science studies, you know about bias. And to me, when somebody asks me, what's the purest definition of data science? The purest definition of data science is the removal of bias from your decisions, right? That's what data science is. You're removing bias and you're letting the data make the decisions, right? You're making data-driven decisions, right? Which is what we should all be doing, right? Showing that range that you're talking about, Himsteak, and also as a manager hiring from that range helps with the domain bias, right? It helps kind of reduce the risk of that. So again, I don't want to say too much, but I recently had a conversation with a group of executives. And I'm going to make it up. Let's say they were in the restaurant business, right? I don't want to say who the client was, but let's just say it was in the restaurant business. They were talking to me about how they were looking for a data scientist, but they were having trouble people who knew the restaurant business. And I told them that was a massive mistake, right? That's a massive mistake to only say, well, I just want data scientists to have worked for other restaurants. Because all you're doing there is you're inheriting their bias, right? If you hire somebody, if you hire a brand new data scientist and they tell you, and a couple months later when you're working on a project, they tell you, oh, no, that'll never work. We tried that at that other place and it didn't work there. Massive loss, right? Massive fail, right? You have failed in your hiring if you ever hear that. Because then you're not open to new things, right? You're letting people bring their previous bias into your business. How can you break the industry norms if you're just following what the rest of the industry is doing, right? So I think it's a good idea for you to have that range in your portfolio, Himsteak. Have that range and then emphasize that range, because you might have to sell yourself a little bit more during those interviews. If you're going to go interviews, let's just say at a car company, right? At an auto manufacturer, you might have to sell yourself in that way and say, yes, you're absolutely right. I come from the textile industry. I studied business in undergrad, and my last freelance contract was working for an airline. So I don't know a thing about in the auto industry, but that makes me somebody who's going to take a fresh look at your data. I'm going to bring a fresh set of ideas because I'm not biased by other car companies or other previous positions, right? So I view it as a selling point for you to be able to say that, to say, here's my portfolio, and I am proud that I do not have experience in your industry because I'm going to be your freshest perspective because I'm going to be your least biased perspective, right? So I hope that helps you, Himsteak. I love the idea. Keep going in that direction. Okay, so Mazim Ibrahim 88. Mazim, did you tell us where you were from?